Welcome to biology class. Today we shall start the topic plant physiology. Plant physiology is the study of functioning of plants. Plants do various functions. One of the important functions of plants is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis needs chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll is a green colored pigment. It is produced inside the chloroplast. What are chloroplasts? Chloroplasts are green colored plastids. Some plastids are red, orange, yellow in color. They are chromoplasts. Chromoplasts are yellow, red, orange colored plastids. They are found in fruits and flowers. Some plastids are colorless. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. Chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast are the three types of plastids. Leucoplast store food material. Chloroplast involve in photosynthesis. Let us learn the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are green colored plastids. They have chlorophyll pigments. The chloroplasts are oval shaped organelles found in plant cells. The diameter of chloroplast is 2 to 10 micrometer. The thickness of the chloroplast is 1 to 2 micrometer. What is the shape of chloroplast? Oval shaped. The diameter of chloroplast is 2 to 10 micrometer. The thickness of the chloroplast is 1 to 2 micrometer. The chloroplast is covered by outer covering, that is envelope. The envelope has inner membrane and outer membrane. The chloroplast is covered by double layered envelope. They are outer membrane and inner membrane. Inside the envelope there is stroma. The matter inside the envelope form stroma. Stroma has flattened disc-like structures called as thylakoids. Thylakoids are flattened disc-like structures found in the stroma. These thylakoids are arranged one above another like coins and form grana. Grana singular, grana plural, granum is singular. Thylakoids are arranged one above another and form a structure called as granum. A chloroplast has many grana in the stroma. Chloroplast is covered by an envelope. The envelope has an outer membrane and an inner membrane. Envelope is made up of outer membrane and inner membrane. In between these two membranes there is a space called as intermembrane space. What is intermembrane space? The space between inner and outer membrane of the envelope of chloroplast is called as intermembrane space. Inside the envelope, stroma is present. The stroma is made up of matrix substance. The matrix substance present inside the membrane is called a stroma. The stroma has DNA, ribosomes. The stroma has DNA, ribosomes and other molecules required for protein synthesis. Chloroplast is able to produce protein because it has DNA. This DNA carries information for protein synthesis and the 70S ribosome involves in protein synthesis. Chloroplast also has other molecules needed for protein synthesis. The other molecules are enzymes. which are necessary for protein synthesis. The stroma is the matrix inside the membrane. It contains DNA, ribosomes, and other molecules required for protein synthesis. Thylakoids are flattened disc-like structures. They are arranged one above another and form a structure that is granum. A thylakoid consists of membrane. Inside the membrane, lumen is present. Here, the thylakoids arrange and form a structure granum. Each thylakoid has thylakoid membrane. This is thylakoid membrane. Inside the membrane, there is space called as lumen. Each thylakoid consists of thylakoid membrane that encloses thylakoid lumen. Here there are two grana outside the chloroplast. These grana are connected by stroma lamella. Grana are connected by stroma lamella. What is the role of stroma lamella? Grana are interconnected by stroma lamella. In this video, we have learned the structure of the chloroplast. What is the function of a chloroplast? Photosynthesis is the function of the chloroplast. We will discuss about photosynthesis in the next video.